Hi folks, Lee Gettess here with the Market Sense for September 29th, 2015. Going to look at some charts that come from the Trade Navigator software. And in looking at the bond market here, this is a weekly bond chart. They're kind of not holding any resistance. I mean, they could be, but they looked like they might want to hold support in the 154.24 area. They haven't been down there at all. They could have held around 156.12 here, did not, went right up here to the 157.24 area. Don't really seem to be doing a great job of holding that. Now, they could be. I mean, if the week ends up down here, we'll say, okay, they held that resistance. But they also don't really have a whole lot to prevent them from going up to test these highs here, above 160. It's a long ways away. With the Fed talking about raising interest rates, you're kind of surprised to see the bond market rallying, but they may be suggesting that the Fed simply can't raise rates, and they may have missed their opportunity there. Stocks, of course, look pretty much the opposite. Suddenly Friday afternoon, with about an hour to go, everybody started selling, and they just blew out both Friday and Monday. Little stall bit on Tuesday here, but as you can see, this week they could have held here. Well, first of all, resistance 1946, nah, not even close. They could have held in the 1913 area. They did not. They could have held around 1885. They did not. They really look like they want to go test the lows down here near 1820. They don't have to go straight down there and do that, but they sure look like they want to. We're in employment week. We get 3 doses of employment finishing with the monthly report on Friday. So a lot of news for the market to digest, but they're moving pretty good with no news really. So they just don't look very good. They could certainly have a several-day rally from here. I'm not ruling that out, but they really look like they want to go test that low at least. And I got to admit, if they test it, I'm really not sure it'd hold. So that's what we've got for you today. I hope you can find something profitable to get yourself involved with. Thanks for checking in to see how we're looking at things.